What's up everyone? Day 11 of the holiday giveaways. Now, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the day 9 giveaway. That is for the Cerakote prize package. But as a little teaser, guys, today's giveaway is gonna be a good one. It is something to clean your carpets, so stay tuned for that. But here we go for the giveaway from the Cerakote prize package. Now, on that video, I announced that you needed to comment on the video where I was giving it away and also on the video where I did the review of the product, because I want you guys to see how amazing the gloss enhancement is of their new Rapid Ceramic. On the video where I did the review, I had 564 comments. I did the random number generator and the winner was number 361. I went over and checked that name on the giveaway video and you commented there as well. So the real Mr. Pib01, you are the winner. Congratulations. I'll reach out to you in a comment and let you know what you need to do. Just get your shipping information to me so I can get it out to you. Now guys, do not forget to go and watch the video that I posted yesterday. This is your opportunity to win an Active 2.0 electric pressure washer. Probably the best DIY to professional grade electric pressure washer you can get for the price point. It's 350 bucks for this one. This one is the full kit with the hose and everything. Phenomenal pressure washer. I love it. You still have an opportunity to win that. I'll be announcing the winner of that one tomorrow. So go check that video out. I'll link it up here. I'll also put it in the description for you guys so you can continue to watch this video and then go check that one out after. Now, before we get into today's giveaway, guys, I want to do my normal disclaimer. I do it on all these videos because there are so many scammers within the comments. Basically, if you comment, a lot of scammers will go in and comment and say you won. To reach out to them. It's usually like text me at something. A lot of times they'll have my picture. It's not me. I announce the winners on camera, so just make sure to not fall for any of those scams. I announce the winner on camera and then I'll reach out to you specifically and tell you my email. So that's how you know if you actually win. Don't fall for the scams, but good luck to everyone. Okay, now today's giveaway is a good one, guys. Like I said, it's one of my most popular videos that I've made, and it was for the $65 carpet extractor. It was when it was on sale for $65. That's when I made that original video. It's normally $130 or 150 bucks, but it's still a phenomenal value at that. And that is this guy here, the Hart 3-in-1. This thing is awesome. It's an awesome, just regular wet dry vac when you need it. As you can see, 6 gallons, 5.5 horsepower peak motor. Fantastic. And then you also have the ability, it has little controls right on the handle, where you can inject water and suck out right away. It's not a heated extractor, but it works phenomenally well. Fantastic option, guys. Better than a Bissell Spot Clean Pro in my personal opinion. The handle's not as small as that, so people do like that. But as a more robust version, this thing is phenomenal. So along with this, I wanted to add in some more giveaways, some stuff that I had laying around, brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and also include a Maxshine foam cannon. This is their top of the line one. So as you guys can see here, so we're going to include that. We're also going to include this little applicator sponge. This is like for removing bugs from Maxshine as well. A 1000 GSM microfiber towel and a drying mesh microfiber towel from Maxshine as well. So pretty big prize pack here, guys. So good luck to all of you. So in order to win today's prize package here, guys, we're keeping it super simple. Comment down below, no other videos, just this one, super simple. Comment down below for a chance to win all of this. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel though. Please subscribe to the channel. I know a lot of people watch the channel but aren't subscribed, so make sure to subscribe. And then also, if you have an Instagram account, go follow me over there. If you don't have one, it's not gonna count against you on winning this or anything, but if you do have one, go follow me over there as well. But that's it for today's video, guys. Good luck on winning this one. And like I said, go check out the other video for the chance to win the Active 2.0. That's it for today's video. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.